so just be careful when you get over by the steps. You have to turn them back around.
I'll be fine, dude. I'm doing this for like 2
Are you
years.
sure? Hey, wait! Watch your...
Dad, I called, but I don't have no money for health insurance.
What did they say, Dylan?
There's a lot of people without health insurance, and they can't help all of them.
Are they still working on it? I thought they were going to vote on something to help people without insurance.
Well, they haven't made a final decision.
Did they say to call back?
Yes.
Okay. Let me grab your phone. I'll try them again. Yep. Do they have any resolution of the health insurance problem? They're having some kind of popularity contest? Are they ever going to vote on anything? Hey, Dylan, he said to call back. They're still working on it. They're having some kind of popularity contest right now, so they're busy.
Dad.
The congressman said just a few more days. Call them back and they'll let us know if they're going to take a vote or not.
They still didn't solve the health insurance problem, but it's too late for them now.
There is a lot of people without health insurance. There's about 30 or 40 million that have no insurance, and another 25 million or so that don't have enough insurance. They're called underinsured. The government has known about this for a long time, and they've worked on it a few times, but they really haven't been able to agree on anything. They might vote on a bill this year they've been talking about for about a year, but it doesn't sound very good right now.
Dad, doesn't the government have a lot of money?
Let's go to town and I'll give you an example. Dylan, let's pretend this is the government's money, and I'll show you why they don't have enough to cover the health care.
All right.
First thing you have to do is the banks are in trouble, so you need to go give the bank some money because they're in bad shape and they just about went bankrupt. Dylan, how much money you guys got left?
About
okay.
10,000 each.
Yeah.
We have to spend some of the government money to help the people that are out of work and don't have any money. So let's go help those people. So give out some of your money to people that need it for now. How much money you got left, Dylan? Still a little bit? Okay. We send a lot of money, the government sends a lot of money overseas to help foreign countries. So let's send some money overseas because those foreign countries need a lot of help, and we send them money every year. Do you have any money left still?
Yep.
Okay, we got to pay for the military. So you better go give the military some money. Hey Dylan, you got some money left still?
Yep.
Okay. The auto industry had a rough couple years. We need to help them. Why don't you give them some money?
Give the auto industry?
Give the auto industry. Do you have a little bit of money left?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to go buy 3 drinks and bring them back out, and I'll show you how sometimes the government wastes its money.
Okay. I guess.
You got the 3 drinks? Okay, I want you to throw 2 of them away.
What? I just...
Throw 2 away. Throw them away. Get rid of them. Okay, you can finish your other drink. Government wastes money sometimes. That's why I had to buy. One example of how they waste money is the government pays for about 1.5 billion square feet of office space. It costs about $50 per square foot per year. So that's about $75 billion for office space. But they only use it 40 hours a week, and there's about 168 hours actually in a 7-day week. So they only use it about 1/4 or 1/3 of the time, and they're paying for those buildings the whole time. If they were to have 2 shifts of workers each day and get 80 hours in a week, they'd at least be using it at 50% efficiency. And that would save, they would only need half as much space then, and they'd save half of that $75 billion or $30-some billion a year, not to mention all the computers that could be reused. In today's electronic world, the workplace can be shared with other workers, and there's no reason we can't get 2 shifts of white-collar workers in between 6 in the morning and 10 at night in almost all state and federal agencies. That would save enough money for insurance for most of the people that don't have it, for the 40 or 50 million people that have no health insurance at all. Private industry knows they can't pay for buildings and not use them. The Ford company just recently shut down a plant in Indiana because their sales are down and they can only produce so many vehicles a day, and they would have to turn that plant down to only 1 shift a day. And there's no way that's economically feasible, so they immediately decided to close the plant, move the workers, because 1 shift a day, they would lose money.